Beautiful Tutorials here with another video. I'm going to be doing another tutorial today for y'all. And as you know by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money while you're a kid or a teenager without like any job. What kind of a job? So you go, tip number one. You go ask your neighbors if you can shovel snow in the winter. If it's summers, most of the time, it's really hot outside and there's dead grass, and so in winter they're usually like sitting down and warming up in their house. So you can ask them if you want to ask them. So you can say to them, "Hey, I'll shovel snow for $10." Or if it's summer, it gets really hot out, and they want to stay in with the air conditioner. So you can ask them. So it's hot. Sometimes their lawn can get really dead and get really dry. So you can ask them, "Hey, can I water your lawn for $10-20 or so for a decent amount, so they won't feel like you're ripping them off?" So that's tip number one. Tip number two, you can street numbers like on the curb so that's like their address or something. When you're trying to find someone's house, that's what you do. So you can get like spray paint, just some they're like 47 cents or something like that, black and white spray paint, and you get utensils for like not that much. You have to have numbers, so you can ask them, "Hey, you don't have your street number on your curb. Can I spray it on there with spray paint for, like, I could get that for you for $10 or something." And if they say no, or it's really hard to get the money from them, you can say a story. Here's a story. Like, he could say, "Well, one day, the ambulance was trying to get to a house, but didn't know which house it was, and someone died." So you can say, like, "You don't want that to be you, right?" Or say, like, if that doesn't work, just say, if you want to make that money a little higher, you can say, $5 more for glow in the dark spray paint. Then you could just do that. This is the third and final tip, my favorite tip. I actually love this. It is really easy. You can it's an app that you earn, you can transfer money to your PayPal. All you gotta do is play games, and you get like these coins, and then as you can see, I got 12,400 coins, and you get a lot of coins when you log in. So if you want an Xbox $10 gift card, you only need 160,000. That's easy as heck. I could just play Words Mobile, and I could get a gift card for it, and they always have new apps where you can play. So see, look, 5,050 nanas just to reach hero level 12 to earn points. That's it, and you can get you can get really cool. You can get money in your PayPal, and then go to your Amazon. You can get Amazon gift cards, and then buy a camera if you want to start a gaming channel and all that. So it's really easy. So I barely got this app, and I earned that in not even 1 minute. I earned that in 5. Oh wait, sorry guys. I meant not even 6 minutes. I earned that much money, that much coins in 5 minutes. That's all it takes, is like 5 minutes. It does not take that much. So that's 90,000. That's really good. That's a really good one. So yeah, you can get like money off this. You can put it in your PayPal. So look, it's really easy. Look how easy it is. $2 for your PayPal, just 45,000 for 3 months of Xbox Live Gold. That's easy. If you don't want to like save up, you just want to sit down and play your phone all day, getting actual money, then this is the perfect app for you. So it's called, what is it called? It's called App Nana. You just get that from the App Store. This is my favorite app. It has really good ratings, and I would rate it 5 out of 5. It is really good. I would prefer this app for you guys, but if you guys don't like the app and you guys just don't like it, I would prefer the other tips because they're easy too. So I got money. I get money from my neighbors sometimes too. So you can keep doing that for like a month or a year, and you'll get a lot of money. That's how most YouTubers started out. Like I know YouTubers that started out like that, how to make their channel, is that's how they did it. So, yo, what's up, guys? It's Waffle Tutorials here with another tutorial today. So, I, I'm a kid, like you guys know. I'm almost 12 years old. Right now, I'm 11, but so to really it's hard to make. Every kid thinks it's hard to make money as a kid. Well, it actually is really easy. So I'm going to tell you some tips on how to make money while you're a kid. One tip is to do so the first tip is, if you're a kid and you have, if you live in a neighborhood, then you can, what is it called? You could do work.
What you heard, nigga?